Nick Jr. is what you want.
Got sparkles in my toothpaste, and a starry shape. The name is Colgate Jr. It's got an awesome taste. Colgate means it works so fine. Junior means it's mine, oh mine. Fluoride working all the time, superstar.
Colgate Jr. for superstars like you.
Colgate Jr.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the California government. At 6:51 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, San Onofre Nuclear Power Station has been reported to a reactor meltdown. If you are within 100 miles from the station, evacuate immediately as the nuclear fallout can reach 200 miles from the power station. Bring a flashlight, a gas mask, and a NOAA weather radio for further updates on the situation. And remember to stay calm. The power plant will now explode in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This was controlled by the government. Accept your fate and may God have your soul.